Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of seeing this face, you're highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make turmeric night cream. Yes, turmeric night cream that you can use to, brighten your face. If you're having eye bag and all that, it can help to reduce that. Okay, this night cream can also help to give you a brighter skin tone. Okay, it can help to clear acne also and dark spots. All right, so that's what we are going to be making in today's video. Without much talk guys, let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare this treatment, we'll be using only 3 ingredients. And the first one is aloe vera. Go ahead and get aloe vera gel. Add some into the plate. We'll be using aloe vera gel because it suits sunburns and skin injuries by increasing collagen. This helps to reduce any resulting scar tissue problems and speeds up wound healing. So after that, the next one is turmeric. Turmeric helps brighten skin and the appearance of uneven tone, leaving you with clearer skin. Your skin wounds may heal a lot quicker when you wash with turmeric soap or you apply turmeric on your skin. The anti-inflammatory properties helps to decrease the skin inflammations and speed up the skin ability to form new tissues. So applying turmeric on your skin where you have dark spots can actually help a lot to fade the dark spots. The next one is honey. So honey has the unique ability to promote skin cell regeneration and the healing, and it also helps to soften and brighten the skin. Mix properly. So here I have the treatment with me, and the best way to apply this treatment is at night. At night, wash your face. After washing your face, you take your cotton wool or your brush, depending on the one you want to use. Just grab your cotton wool, wash your face, make sure your face is washed. Then take this, use the cotton wool to take amount of it, apply it on your face. Apply it on your face. This will help to moisturize your face. This will help to clear dark spots. This will help to, suit your skin, especially if you have sunburn or if you have dark under eye. This will also help to treat that. Okay, guys, this turmeric night cream is effective. This helps a lot. So go ahead and apply it on your face. After applying it on your face, then you leave it to dry. Once it dries, like 45 minutes or 40 minutes, then you wash your face, apply your aloe vera gel on your face or your face moisturizer, then you're good to go. For this treatment, you can try it 3 times in a week. Okay, be consistent with it, right? Be consistent with it, and within 1 month or so, you will begin to see how your face would be looking like. If you have eye bags, they will start to disappear. They will start to reduce. Okay, if you have dark spot or dark under eye, they will start to clear. Yes, this treatment is effective, but please, you have to be consistent with it. One thing about DIYs is that you have to be consistent. You have to be dedicated. You can't just try it once and expect to see result. That's one thing. If you are an impatient person, maybe DIYs are not for you. Okay, because you have to be patient for it to work, for you to see effect. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.